Do you have Super 8 sound film reels like this, large and small reels, and you're looking to get them digitized to a workable format that you can watch and enjoy and share with the family? Also, if you're looking to get onto DVD, a flash drive, cloud, put up on social media, even edit from them. You don't know what you've got, you're looking around on old projectors, trying to put it in some sort of sequence. You're online looking at all the deluge of companies out there, especially the ones that transfer sound. Are they gonna do it correctly? Are they even gonna do it at all? My name's Phil Thomas from Got Memories, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we transfer it here, complete transparency, so you can make an educated decision on how you would like to move forward with your project. First off, how to determine if your film has sound. The telltale sign is if it does actually have sound written on the box. And also, you're going to see this gold strip here. So it's about the width of dental floss. This is silent film, all black. Sound, that is the strip. You can also look on the edge right here. It's also like a kind of a goldish color. If you've got larger size reels, you can see right here, it's all black. So gold and black. So if you have film reels like this and they're a hodgepodge, you don't know what's on them, or you do know what's on them, you can number them. And we do not splice these together. Every company out there splices these together on large reels like so. So if you've got a system, it all ends up on these reels. With us, you get everything back and you get an index. So you number them and you can just click on them and rearrange them, rename them, whatever you want to do. And these files will work with everything. So if you've got iPhone, Android, you want to AirPlay them, you want to upload them to any of the cloud services, it just works. So buyer beware, there is this very popular company right here. This is their booklet they send you, showing you how to do everything. Now under the film, it says here, please note, most reel-to-reel film recordings are silent. Expect great memories, but they will not include sound. In the rare case you do have film with an audio line, the processes for capturing it aren't up to our standards, so we do not do this at this time. So you will send off and pay for all your stuff and it will come back silent. I'm going to show you that this is an absolute load of BS. So here is one of our sound transfer units, Tobin Cinema System. It has Super 8 sound track pickup. So basically here, and I'm just got this unscrew, the cover. So if I turn it on, there is an LED light source, cool to the touch so it doesn't burn your film. And inside of this machine, there is a camera. And right here, and then it picks it up from the gate right there. So there's no projection at all on it. And the sound is going to be picked up, and then we adjust the audio levels and the pitch through here, and do a little color correction as well through here. So I'm going to load this up. Okay, so I have the reel threaded through. This is the sound head right here. So as it's coming through, the picture is being picked up. You can see it right there, and you can see it right here on the computer. And then it's being output, audio output, you see right here, video output. We've got the little gold strip there. And so I'm gonna turn this on and you're gonna hear loud and clear. So I'm gonna turn it down here and you can hear it coming through the laptop. And then if I take this off very slowly, you'll be able to see what the camera is picking up. So there's the shutter right there, and the image, and the camera, and back on. There we have it. Very straightforward. I'm going to show you next how to get it onto your phone. Okay, so we had running on there, Reel 18. And it's Christmas 82, Christmas 82. And then I'm going to drag this over to a SanDisk. This is it right here. It's a little flash drive, and I'm gonna eject that. And so here we go. And I've plugged it in the bottom. Give it a second here. Okay, so we can view the files. And boom. So you can have them listed. You can see it right here. Real 18 Christmas 1982. Okay, so I've plugged the flash drive in. So it's got the lightning port and then it's got USB as well. I've copied a couple of these reels over. So film, and I'm using iMovie here. I'm just gonna import the collection. Import selected, and then right down here, import. And now we have these files, and you can just drag them into the timeline right here. And you've got all of them. And you can rearrange them and do whatever you want with them. You can split clips. So if you want to delete any of them, you can cut them in half and rearrange them. I mean, whatever you can think, you can do it. You can put one in front of the other. You can export them as other files and share them online. You can burn a disk if you've got the right software to do so. It just works. So in addition to flash drives, disk, we can also give you a digital download link through Dropbox. So if you do have a Dropbox account, it's a one-click transfer, or we can just send you an email and you can download it also on mobile devices. So you click the download and then you scoot on over and it will be right here on your desktop here. And this is all in the cloud through iCloud. And there we go. Boom. All very neat and tidy. It works with everything. You can share this via text message as well. And there you go. This is our store located in Phoenix, Arizona. Oh, next to VCR repair guy. Tim does great work, repairs all of our equipment. And so you know that when your films are coming here, they're coming to an actual physical bricks and mortar location. This is a map here of all customers around the world that have sent their videotapes and film in via our YouTube channel. And oh, here's yours truly on the front cover of the local rag here. And yeah, this is where all the magic happens. We've got computers galore. We do a lot of videotape transfers and obviously all the film stuff back here. So when you are looking to get a company to transfer all your stuff, you want to know, you know, get that feeling you're handing over your memories to not just some sort of, you know, transfer sweatshop. It's actually going to, you know, a company that cares and does these videos. So you get the utmost confidence that you're handing it over to professionals, and you're going to get that personal customer service as well. Anyway, thanks. Cheers. So there you have it, Super 8 sound, loud and clear. Just a little bit of warning, if you are looking around the internet, DIY machines, then none of them do sound. If you're looking at companies to do sound, as you've seen there in that little legacy box booklet, they don't do it. Other companies that say they do it are usually speeding it up to 20 frames per second, and everybody's voices kind of sound like this, and there's a gargle in the neck, and it's just pointless watching it like that because it's very annoying. We're one of the only places that I know of that transfers it and does it at a regular kind of economical consumer-based pricing versus like Pro 8 and Burbank, who do good work, but they charge an arm and a leg because they cater to the movie industry and amateur kind of videographers. But it is buyer beware in this industry, unfortunately. And, you know, if you've got a ton of stuff, the price can get up there. So usually buying cheap As our grandparents have always told us, you buy cheap, you buy twice. It is definitely true in this industry. A little bit about myself. I've been transferring film in the UK and in the US for over 20 years. We're based in Phoenix, and as you can see from our Google reviews, I welcome anyone to go take a little peek. Perfect score on Google. Unfortunately, quite a big part of my workload is redoing jobs from other companies. And it becomes very frustrating sometimes when people have spent a lot of money and they have not got what they paid for. So picture quality can vary greatly from place to place. Audio, either if it's there, usually it isn't right. So if you want to go to our website, you can fill out a quote form. If you are looking for equipment and you're in the industry, good luck. I have got the only machines really that Tobin, who is now retired, ever built. And in my opinion, it's the best stuff that you can get rather than spending $1 million on like a rank Sintel. So anyway, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks again, cheers.